Okay, more space bags.
That's nice.
So I'm aboard the 1816, the very last Avanti West Coast Class 221 service to, where's it going?
Birmingham New Street.
Birmingham New Street, yeah, Birmingham New Street. Yeah, by R.I.P. So these will be replaced by the new Class 805 and 807s. Only a shame, to be honest. This is used to be my childhood.
Yeah, after 20 years.
20 years.
20 years in service.
Quite the same years as Virgin trains were lasted. It was initially started till 1997.
Yeah, 1997.
Yeah.
I can't believe, sorry about that. I thought that was happening for...
I bet they're sounding the horns. Yeah, I don't think we can hear them.
I mean, I just thought we had like 40 minutes after.
Oh, we got a couple of. Oh, look, there's a Polo train over there.
Yeah, Polo Express.
Yeah.
I would have just think it because there's only been so charge for. Otherwise, what I'd had to do if we were getting on 7, I'd have to carry on things up then.
So I wonder what they're going to do. I wonder what they're going to do if when they're withdrawing it. Probably go to cross country or Grand Central. Yeah. They're still 2-to-1, so in cross country.
Exactly, so my mum said like, meeting that one, bloody hell, I used to do the journey that me and B did.
Any folks, welcome to this 1816 from London Euston to Birmingham Street. Just to let you know, as this is the last Voyager from Euston, they've decided to give us no stop. So currently we have no shop, no first class service. There is water in both shops, complimentary of course, unless you want to slip me a tenner. That's complimentary then. Yeah, so there's water available in both shops. Apart from that, that's all we've got, I'm afraid.
So no food. No food.
Last ever Avanti West Coast.
Yeah, no food available probably.
221 Voyager
Yeah.
from London Euston to
Birmingham New Street.
Birmingham,
Yeah.
Milton Keynes, What's the junction? Milton Keynes Central, Rugby, Coventry.